So hey guys, today we are making restaurant style Amritsari chole. We will start off by scraping the skin of the ginger with the help of a spoon, or you can also use a paring knife. Now we will cut the ginger into juliennes. And we'll keep these juliennes in a cup of chilled water for some time. Now we'll start off by chopping 2 to 3 medium sized onions and roughly chop some tomatoes for the puree. Here I am using the food processor for fine pureeing of the tomatoes. You can also chop them. Keep the puree aside and I finally chop some green chillies. Now heat up a kadai. Add 1 tablespoon of clarified butter. You can use refined oil, canola oil as well. Add in half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Now transfer the chopped chilies into kadai and roast for around 30 to 40 seconds. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Roast a bit. Add in the chopped onions. Cook for around 2 to 3 minutes until the onions get gold brown color. Cover with a lid. Stir well so that the onions are cooked from all sides. Now that the onions have become golden brown, we will add in half a tablespoon of coriander powder, half a tablespoon of red chilli powder, and 1/4 tablespoon of haldi powder or the turmeric powder. We will roast the spices for around 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now we will add the ginger julienne and the chopped garlic to the onion masala. Now add in the tomato puree, 2 to 3 tablespoons at a time. Add as it will fasten the process of cooking the puree. Now cover with the lid and cook for around 5 to 10 minutes on simmer or low flame. Add in the salt to taste. Stir well. Now cover for another 5 to 10 minutes on low flame. Add in the soaked and boiled chickpeas, or you can also use the canned chickpeas as well. Now transfer the chickpeas into the masala and stir well. Now add in 1 tablespoon of ANARDANA powder, half a tablespoon of GARAM masala powder. Stir well. Mash some of the chickpeas with the help of a potato masher and add in the chopped coriander leaves and simmer for around 5 to 6 minutes. Now your chole has done. Now it's time to plate. Here I am using a wooden bowl. Add in the chole. Garnish with the sliced onions or ring onions and with some juliennes. And I'm here using some chili oil. Top it with a sprig of coriander. If you like the recipe, do give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts below. Thank you.